Hey guys, it's Shannon. I am going to talk to you quickly about adding a PIN code for the kiosk for clients to check in so that their sessions get logged and the trainers get paid. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm also going to show you a quick way on how to render sessions. So when we go to the members tab here, we are, and typically you're going to do this every time you sign up a new member. So anytime someone comes into this member tab, we're going to add the PIN code so that they can log in. Okay, so every time that you set that up, you should do that immediately or write yourself a note and do it at the end of the day so that the next time that person comes in to train, they can log in with no issues. So let's go to a client here. Okay, so we're going to click their name. We're going to go to all detail. And then we go over here to check-in. And then check-in kiosk PIN code setup. Okay, and this is where we enter the last 4 digits of their phone number. So every client, we use the last 4 digits of their phone number. The personal trainers know that as well, so we don't even need to remember their PIN code. We don't need to know it. As long as they know their phone number, they're good to go. So make sure you update that status, and then you're all set. If you have anyone, saying that they're having issues logging in, it's a good idea to come in and check this because it could have been entered incorrectly. So that's what we want to do. Every client needs one of these. And then here, we're going to go over here. And so anytime that someone does not log in, remember they're filling out, the personal trainer is the login sheet by the computer. So they're going to put the client name, date and time of the meeting, and then reason for a manual render. So why could they not log in? Typically, there should only be 2 reasons: is the computer was down or they did not show up, the client did not show up. So what we're going to do here is, you can see all of them here. So you're going to go to main, log sessions. You're going to grab that sheet that you have by the computer, and then you're going to go through and log these in. Okay, so this one has quite a bit because we have functional fitness or HIIT at this gym. So you guys don't need to pay attention to that. But anytime that you see a fitness evaluation, a fitness consultation, you should always render those because that affects your show rate. So make sure that you render those, make them complete. And then anytime you see a personal training session on that sheet, you need to go through, find it, and render that. So I'll just show you what you would do. Is you're going to click on the number, and you can click, you're going to go into the log off. Okay, booking completed successfully, or customer did not show up. So for example, if the computer was down but the customer did come, we're going to complete that booking successfully and then log this booking. Okay, so that one's rendered. Now let's say Ethan came in and he did not show up. Customer did not show up. Okay, log this booking. There we go. So it shows, and then remember that goes into their canceled or lost tab in the members when you look them up. So make sure that you do this correctly. Again, anytime you log these sessions, they need to also be on the sign-in sheet, and this needs to be done. I would do this at the end of every day, because when Kyle and I run payroll, if these are not rendered, the trainers are not getting paid for them within that pay period. And we only search when we do payroll, through the specific pay period. So if we miss something from last time and you go ahead and render them later than pay date, we don't know about it. So make sure you're doing this and checking this. Payroll is the 1st and the 15th of every month. However, we do end payroll a couple days prior to that. So make sure you're on top of it. Call me if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye, guys.